Please welcome to the Boma. Today I'm going to do Kenyan cocktail. Actually, it's called Dawa. Dawa in Swahili is medicine. So it's a combination of vodka, Masai honey, and lemon. Just a few slices of lemons. And then using my muddling stick, I'm gonna muddle the lemons. After muddling the lemons, I'm gonna use my Masai honey. So we're gonna use 1 full teaspoon of honey. And then I'll continue doing the mix, lemon and honey. Now I'm going to use my vodka, about 2.5 tots. Get mixed together. This is now lemon, honey and vodka. Then my Dawa is ready.